What's up, design family, and welcome back to another episode of Fittdesign TV. So glad to have you back on the channel. On today's episode, we'll be looking at the 6 key fundamentals on how to build a memorable and efficient online store. Obviously, if you're a fashion brand operating in 2020 or 2021, you're going to want to have a strong online presence. Building an efficient and optimized online store can make your experience for your customers easier, quicker, and more memorable. Building a beautiful online store can also be a way to create brand depth and expand your vision forward. So in this episode, we'll look at 6 key characteristics and ways to optimize that web experience to build a store that will keep your customers coming back time and time again. If you're currently looking at going into an online store or making a new web store, this is the episode for you. Hey guys, and welcome to Fittdesign TV. So glad to have you here. On this channel, we discuss all things sports fashion, graphic design, manufacturing, and technology. We'll discuss key topics, answer pressing questions, and provide actionable steps on starting your own product line. If you're interested in any of the above topics, stick around. You're in for a good one. Just like walking into a physical store and then immediately feeling the need to walk right out, building an online web store that doesn't instantly grab your customers' attention and doesn't make it easy for them to purchase will ultimately leave a lot of potential on the table for your business. You won't be able to convert potential customers into long-term loyal customers. In this episode, we're going to run through 6 key tips to creating a more efficient and more attractive online shopping experience for your customers. Number 1, your site needs to emphasize user friendliness. Your site should be easy to navigate and products should be easy to find. Make sure that your purchasing process is straightforward and to the point. At the same time, make sure to choose typography that is both attractive and on brand and easily legible to make sure that your customers are able to understand and navigate around the website. You need to use buttons that can be seen easily and pressed easily on both mobile and web versions. Number 2, make sure that your website uses high quality images. After all, your customers need to know what they're buying, and the easiest way to do this is through clear and professional photography. Bear in mind that poorly shot, low quality images will not only scare and turn away your customers, but they can actually serve towards devaluing your brand image and value. Make sure to provide thorough information about your products to your customers. All of your descriptions should be relevant and comprehensive. At the same time, the more information that you have available that's relevant about a product, the more convincing you're going to be to your customers. At the same time, this will also help reduce the risk of returns, which can be quite costly towards the brands. Number 4, provide your website with a security certificate. This is symbolized on the top of your browser with a little lock mark. Give your customers the feeling that they're shopping from a safe website that's free from any bugs, spams, or scams. Try upgrading from HTTP to HTTPS for added security. Number 5, make sure to optimize your website for speed. Optimizing your website to avoid slow and lengthy downloading processes can help to convert customers better. You want to look at optimizing images and high resolution images on your website through Photoshop by saving specifically for web. Waiting too long for your website to load can actually turn a lot of customers away and is one of the primary reasons for customer drop-off. Number 6, make sure to emphasize responsiveness. Mobile versions of your website should automatically load when a customer is viewing your website on a smart device. Making sure that your website is responsive to customers is a great way to help push conversions and keep customer loyalty. As we know, most customers are actually viewing your website not on desktop anymore, but actually on mobile devices. So making sure that your website is optimized for mobile is the only way to go in 2020 and 2021. That's a wrap, guys. That's been 6 essentials to building a strong and memorable online store that can help to garner customer loyalty and actually push conversions on your web store. If you guys enjoyed this more business-oriented video, please let us know in the comments below what episodes you want to see next. If you guys enjoy our content in general, it would mean the world to us if you smashed a thumbs up so that more people could see this video, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to Fittdesign TV. Until next episode, stay awesome.